How to fix Tinder messages not sending error. If any day you want to send messages in your Tinder to your loved ones, but you're not being able to send the messages, and you may be very frustrated regarding that. Now do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. In order to solve the problem, first of all, you have to tap on Tinder for a while. After you tap on Tinder for a while, you will see the eye option out there. Now just tap on the eye option. After you tap on the eye option, you will see the interface of app information. And when you see the interface of app information, you have to go to the option of storage and check whether there is any cache or not. And if there is any cache, you have to clear down all the cache. And after you clear down all the cache, just go back. And after you go back, go to the option of app details and store. Now just tap on app details and store. Now after you go to the app details and store, you will see that your Tinder has been opened in the Google Play Store. Now you have to check whether there is any updates available or not. And if there is any updates available in Tinder, just update your Tinder application. Otherwise, now your Tinder has been solved. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.